Hi, this is Igor at ANTISMOG with a B1 unboxing video. The purpose of this video is to give you an idea of what's included in the kit. This is what you will receive when you order our B1 hydrogen device. So let's unpack and see what's in the box. You will notice that the box is absolutely basic. The kit arrives in the very basic biodegradable cardboard box. This is the installation connection diagram. Don't forget the B1 kit is completely plug and play. Follow the connection diagram, connect 3 electrical wires, 1 plug and 1 hose, and you're good to go. Next is the heaviest item in the box, the hydrogen cell. This is a heavy-duty, high-efficiency, high-precision electrolyzer. This item is guaranteed for life. This is the controller. It's compact, it's light, it's splash and dust resistant. The size and weight of the controller make it easy to fit in the engine bay. This is the bubbler. The function of the bubbler is to strip any remaining moisture from the HHO gas. ANTISMOG ensures that the hydrogen that enters the engine bay is well dry. So now we're looking at the support elements provided in the kit. This is a small bracket to secure the bubbler. A pair of larger brackets to fix the HHO generator in the engine bay. 2 L-shaped support brackets are provided to keep the hydrogen generator and the bubbler securely in place. The kit contains potassium hydroxide or KOH. This quantity is calibrated to be dissolved in 450 milliliters of distilled water to make the electrolyte for the initial charging of the HHO cell. The metal coupling is used to securely connect HHO gas hose with the engine air intake manifold. A measuring syringe is provided to control the levels of liquid in the bubbler and the main HHO cell. So now you know what's in the box. Let's have a quick look at what it resembles when fully installed in the engine bay. Here's one of the recent installations, an old Renault Master ambulance. Here's the HHO gas generator, tucked neatly near the existing diesel fuel filter. This is the bubbler where the gas is stripped of any remaining moisture. Then we see the hydrogen hose connected via the metal HHO air coupling. And finally the controller, which is installed on the side of a fuse box. So we looked at what's in the box when you receive the ANTISMOG B-1 kit and what it looks like when it's fully installed. And this is how ANTISMOG helps the cities breathe.